Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to continue the NFT series, and this video specifically is going to be more about how you can purchase these NFTs, what kind of decisions you have to make before purchasing NFTs, and where can you find the NFTs which are upcoming and which could have a lot of potential. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Aaryan and let's get started. Well, the biggest question in the NFT space right now is what is the next Bored Ape Yacht Club? What is the next CryptoPunks? And to be honest, just like how I mentioned in the previous video, finding the next big project can be very speculative. And to avoid a few mistakes, which I did in the beginning, you will have to watch this video till the end because I'm going to walk you through how you can find that next gem to flip for some profit. To start off with, let me tell you that the NFT space has its foundation embedded in Discord and Twitter. So if you do not have Discord or a Twitter account, I highly recommend you to get one of those because most of the NFT projects have their communities on either Discord or Twitter, and you will need to have one of these to step your foot into the NFT game. And when it comes to finding good projects, I have a few resources which I want to share with you, which you could use to get to know about good projects which could be upcoming. But let me tell you that this is not any financial advice, and you have to do your own research, do your due diligence, and only then invest in an NFT. The first website which I want to share with you is Rarity Tools, and this website became really famous when the NFT space started booming a lot, and this is one place where you could find almost all the upcoming NFT projects. So I'll link this in the description, and when you come onto this website, you need to come to the upcoming page here, and these are all the NFTs which will be upcoming in the near future. So to look at, there's a lot of stuff here to look at. There's a lot of cool art. There are a lot of scams as well. So you need to do your research in this part. The best way to check the background of these projects is go to their websites, go to their Twitter, go to their Discords, and talk to the community and see what the vibe is like there. And that will obviously give you clear signs if the project is good or no. For example, this right here looks like a cool project. So let me open up the Discord and also the Twitter and the website here, and let's just quickly scan and I'll tell you the things which you'll have to look at when you're trying to get into the project. A first good green flag is that it has a lot of members. So let's join this Discord. There's a verification. Alright, now I have successfully entered the Discord, and this Discord looks pretty neat to me. It is well organized, and you can check out the FAQ section here. The pre-sale, the public sale prices are mentioned. I can get access to the website through raritytools.com, and the website looks neat as well. So this looks like a good project to me, honestly, and this is something which I would invest in. And apart from that, the Twitter is also pretty popping. We have around 3,000 followers and there's good engagement. So these are a few factors which you can consider if you're getting into a new NFT project. Another really crucial thing which you could check to avoid getting scammed is go to their website and click on the team section. So the ideal case scenario, what you want is that the team should be doxed. To be doxed means that the team has revealed their identity, and you will find their Twitter, their LinkedIn, etc. on the website. So the project founder is this guy, but I do not see any links to their real social media accounts. So even though that is slightly a red flag, this looks like a project which has a lot of scope because of their roadmap. You could go onto the project's website and check out their roadmap, and almost every good project has their roadmap up live on the site. And upon checking the roadmap, if you feel that you resonate with the project and if you feel that the near future and the future plans of this project are good, you could get into it. And these were a few things which you must keep in mind before getting into an NFT project. Rarity Tools does not only have Ethereum projects, they also have Solana projects, Phantom projects, and much more. So this is like a one-stop shop for your NFT purchasing needs. Another way is to buy projects which have already launched and already have a well-established community. Well, this might be a safer way to get into an NFT project, but it does not necessarily mean that you'll be able to purchase that at the mint price. So as we spoke in the previous video, mint price is the price at which the NFT initially launches. So most of these NFTs on Rarity Tools will have their mint price listed here. And when you go to secondary marketplaces like OpenSea or PaintSwap, it does not necessarily mean that you get the best deals, but the security which you'll have here is that the project has already launched and it has a good community. So on OpenSea, you could go on to the explore section and check out the NFTs which have already launched, and you could judge the project based on how the floor price is, meaning that what the minimum price of the project is right now. And usually when the floor price is above the mint price, it is a really good sign for the project. If there was one project I could recommend to you right now, it would be the STONK Society. Firstly, because this is one project which I've been working on with the team Anchit, Rahul and Adish. So this project right now is completely sold out, and if you haven't watched the previous videos on the STONK Society, make sure to do that. There'll be a link popping up on the screen right now. So the STONK Society is essentially a collection of 3,333 uniquely generated pixel art pieces, and the main utility of the STONK Society is that the holders of the NFT get something like dividends, but as airdrops. An airdrop is nothing but a token drop into your wallet directly, and the STONK Society holders get airdrops just for holding the NFT. Right now, the STONK Society is absolutely sold out. This is the website of the STONK Society. The link for it will be in the description. And to get one of these bad boys, you'll have to go on to PaintSwap and get it on the secondary market right now. The floor price of the STONK Society is 28 Phantom, and the mint price of the STONK Society was 23 Phantom. So the floor price is obviously more than the mint price, and that is a really good sign. I am not blindly promoting the STONK Society because it is my project, but the numbers speak for themselves. The total volume of this is 8.5k Phantom, and the total volume is essentially the total amount of money for which it has been bought and sold back and forth on the secondary marketplace. So 8.5k Phantom right now roughly equates to around $23,800, which is 17.85 lakh of stonks being traded on the secondary marketplace. So the community is absolutely loving the STONK Society, and we have a Discord which is completely on fire. The Phantom ecosystem and the community is absolutely loving the STONK Society, and it has also been backed by the key players in the Phantom ecosystem. Spirit Swap, a decentralized exchange with the total value logged of close to $400 million, has partnered with the STONK Society, and this is one project which you should definitely get. Average price is 65 Phantom, which is almost 3x the mint price, and there are still a few NFTs which you could grab on the secondary marketplace right now. To get a STONK, you could come onto this PaintSwap link, which will be in the description down below. Come here and toggle this filter option which says for sale, and you will be able to get NFTs here for as low as 30 Phantom, which in my opinion is a steal deal. There have been STONK Society NFTs being sold for over 200 Phantom. The price of this NFT will gradually increase as the investors realize the potential of the passive reward system. The first investments of the investment cycle model of the STONK Society was done on 15 January, and a month from that date, the STONK Society holders will be airdropped in Phantom. So if you're familiar with stocks, there is a concept of dividends. You might think of these airdrops as something analogous to these dividends. And not to mention, the STONK Society team has worked really hard on this. Day and night, Rahul and Adish did a phenomenal job on the back end, and the art which you see on the screen was done by Anchit, who really killed it. If you have any questions regarding the STONK Society, you could drop by on the Discord server. Link is in the description, and the community is really active and engaging, and anybody on the server will be more than happy to clear your doubts regarding this project. This was the STONK Society, and if you have any questions regarding NFTs or crypto in general, make sure that you comment down below and I'll be more than happy to assist you. My name is Aaryan, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.